Good morning. So, another little tidbit on reactions. So, think about this. How many times, if you're a teen, your parents say to you, "Hey, we're going out for the night, and I know you wanted to do something, but I need you to stay in and take care of your sister or your younger sibling or whatever, the dog." And your initial reaction is like, "Oh, this is BS. What the hell, man? I was supposed to go out with my friends. I don't want to do this." And you get all pissed off and you give them an attitude. And at the end of the day, you either end up doing it or you don't end up doing it, you ruin their night, and you're going to get punished and you're going to have consequences, right? Or if you're an adult, your boss says to you, "Hey, we have this project that just came up. I need it in 2 days. I'm sorry, but I need you to take care of this and I need you to get it to me." And your initial reaction could be like, "Are you kidding me? 2 days to do this? There's 10 other people in the office. Why all of a sudden this is on me, right?" Everybody reacts the way they choose to react at the time. But when you ask questions, or more importantly, instead of just asking questions like I've been talking about all week, thinking about why things are the way they are, think about it as that kid, as that teen. Maybe your parents are doing this because, hey, they trust me. They wanted me to prove to them that I'm responsible. It's an opportunity for me to show them that I'm responsible, and maybe I'm going to make some money on the side. But if nothing else, it's going to show that they trust me, I have some responsibility, they believe I'm responsible, and I'm starting to get some of my independence, right? Just another perspective. Or if you're that employee, it's, "Hey, you know what? This is great, man. I know this is a lot of work, but my boss obviously chose me over all these other people to do the project because he relies on me and thinks that I'm the most capable. So if I do this and I do it right, this could lead to promotion and just, me looking better in his eyes for future opportunities." I mean, it's all about perspective. So you can complain about it as the employee and bitch and think your boss is an ass, or you could think your parents are jerks. But if you look at the other perspective, look at so many benefits of, hey, there's a reason why they're doing this. What is the positive that can come out of this? Any situation has a silver lining if you just take the time to look at it. And so many times we just want to react because we're annoyed and we don't look for that silver lining. So just food for thought for the day. I hope you guys have an awesome day.